Welcome back to my channel. Struggling with hair fall? Noticing more hair on your brush or pillow lately? Hair fall isn't always just genetics, it's influenced by your hormones, nutrition, and even environmental changes. Today, I'm sharing 6 proven superfoods and DIY remedies that strengthen hair, nourish follicles, and help you grow thicker, healthier hair naturally. Hair fall causes. Hormonal changes. DHT, a hormone, can shrink hair follicles over time, causing thinner hair. Stress, pregnancy, or aging can push more hair into the shedding phase. Seasonal stressors like temperature changes can indirectly affect hormones, increasing shedding. Poor scalp circulation. Hair follicles need blood flow for nutrients and oxygen. Reduced circulation weakens follicles, causing fragile strands. Seasonal changes can dehydrate your scalp and reduce circulation, making hair look dull and brittle. Nutrient deficiency. Hair is made of keratin, which requires iron, zinc, vitamin D, biotin, and essential fatty acids. Seasonal diet changes, like less fresh produce in winter, can weaken hair growth and increase shedding. Environmental and weather factors. Winter. Dry air plus brittle hair, breakage, static. Summer. Sun plus sweat plus pollution damage follicles. This is why hair quality changes with the seasons and shedding spikes during transitions. Stress and lifestyle. Physical or emotional stress can cause early shedding, telogen and effluvium. Seasonal workload changes, holidays, or travel can amplify hair fall. Hair care habits. Overwashing, heat styling, chemicals, tight hairstyles strain follicles. Seasonal changes often affect your hair routine, heavier oils in winter, more washing in summer, contributing to temporary hair loss. Now that we understand why hair falls and why seasons make it worse, let's explore 6 superfood remedies you can use at home to nourish your scalp, strengthen follicles, and promote thicker hair. Hair fall control Step 1. Benefit, science. Lauric acid, coconut, protects protein loss, castor oil strengthens follicles, rosemary oil improves circulation and reduces DHT effects. DIY. Warm 2 tablespoons coconut oil plus 1 teaspoon castor oil plus 3 to 4 drops rosemary essential oil. Massage scalp 5 to 10 minutes, leave overnight, wash next morning. Hair fall control Step 2. Benefit, science. Aloe soothes inflammation and balances pH. Rice adds amino acids for keratin. Olive and vitamin E oil lock in moisture and antioxidants. DIY. Blend aloe gel plus 2 tablespoons boiled rice plus 1 teaspoon olive oil plus few drops vitamin E. Apply 30 minutes, rinse. Hair fall control Step 3. Benefit, science. Onion sulfur boosts collagen and reactivates follicles. Ginger improves circulation and reduces inflammation. Peppermint oil promotes blood flow. DIY. Mix 2 tablespoons onion juice plus 1 tablespoon ginger juice plus 3 drops peppermint oil. Apply on scalp 15 to 20 minutes, rinse. Hair fall control Step 4. Benefit, science. Fenugreek proteins and nicotinic acid strengthen roots. Rice adds amino acids, coconut oil nourishes. DIY. Soak 2 tablespoons fenugreek seeds plus 2 tablespoons rice overnight. Grind with 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Apply 30 minutes, rinse. Hair fall control Step 5. Benefit, science. Yogurt protein plus probiotics, honey locks moisture, banana provides vitamins and potassium, castor oil strengthens follicles. DIY. Mix ingredients, optional, add few drops lemon juice if scalp tolerates. Apply 20 to 30 minutes, rinse. Hair fall control Step 6. Benefit, science. Egg protein plus biotin boost keratin. Mayonnaise moisturizes and smooths cuticles. Honey and argan oil add shine and antioxidants. DIY. Whisk 1 egg plus 1 tablespoon mayonnaise plus 1 teaspoon honey plus 1 teaspoon argan oil. Apply 20 minutes, rinse. Use 1 to 2 remedies per week for best results. Combine with a healthy diet, hydration, and gentle hair care habits. Consistency is the key. Try these remedies regularly for stronger, thicker hair naturally. Encourage viewers to subscribe for more natural hair care secrets. Thank you for watching.